Okay, let's examine how API Gateway works closely and briefly talk about this in this lecture. So API Gateway acts as a gatekeeper between consumers, and consumers can be web or mobile applications, IoT devices. So those consumers and microservices or other AWS services, as this is indicated in this diagram, you can create, publish, maintain, monitor, and secure API at any scale. And I have been emphasizing throughout this course, we don't have to worry about any infrastructural challenges. AWS does all automatically scale it up and down as per the traffic. You can cache your frequent API calls so they don't go to your services and DB all the time. In fact, you can use API Gateway caching feature to cache your data. Don't change often. Also, CloudWatch captures details of all the API calls that are being made, and those can be analyzed further. You can find further details about those API logs, calls, and everything, what Lambda functions, and every detail you can find and drill it down in the CloudWatch logs. So let's create a couple of endpoints for our inventory application.